Good afternoon and welcome to my channel, Watercolor Painting in the Afternoon. I'm Beth. Today we're going to continue painting this lovely swan who is landing on a pond, and you can see his reflection in the water. He's really quite beautiful. Today I'm going to be working on the grasses in the background. You can see that the reflection of the grasses actually has more detail than the actual grasses. So let's get started. I already have my swans masked off with masking fluid. That's Schminke's masking fluid, very good stuff. And I'm going to start with just a light wash of burnt umber and maybe a little bit of black or blue mixed in just to give it a little bit of a brownish, grayish color. I wanted the background to be very light so that when you saw through the grasses, you could see the sunlight. And here I'm pulling down the grasses that are reflected. They are about the same color, these two grasses, and you'll notice as the video goes on that I made the top grasses a little bit too dark, and I did try to correct that later as I went along. But for right now, all I'm doing is pulling down the general location of these grasses. And then I started putting in the grass heads and the stems of the grasses. Now, the grass heads are only visible in the reflection. So that's what I did. I just put them right down in there. And what I'm doing here, I'm not going to talk too much more, but what I'm doing here is just adding in some various colors. I really layered and layered these things, trying to get just the right texture, trying to get just the right colors, and making the grass heads a little bit darker, making some of the stems a little bit darker, trying to leave some lighter areas. So I had to work quite a bit on these grasses, but I think in the end, they worked out well, and they really helped the swan to stand out against those dark grasses and against the water. So let me just continue on here, and I'll let you watch for a little bit. Oh, and by the way, if you are enjoying this video, please give me a quick thumbs up, because it does help other people find the video, and I really am enjoying comments that I get. I certainly appreciate if you subscribe as well. So let me hush now, and we'll watch the painting of these grasses. One thing I wanted to say about this part is that I really tried to make that connection between the tall grasses and the reflection very dark, because there was a lot of shadow right there, and it's almost black, because the shadow where the water meets it, it really needs a lot of nice contrast.